PSLE is coming. Can you solve this 2023 Math PSLE question? And the question goes, Leong also used some rods and straws to form another rectangular grid. Part of his grid is as shown below. What was the total number of rods and straws used? So let's look into this figure, and we want to just focus on just one straw wide. So what we can do is we can actually count all of the different rods which is highlighted in blue. So let's count them. So rods is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So one straw wide has 8 rods. What about the straws that is not colored? We can just count them 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the total straws for one straw wide is 5. Let's move on to two straws wide. So we'll just count the rods as per usual. And the thing is, if you guessed it, it is 12. What about straws? So if you count them, then this will give us 10. Now we know two straws. Let's move on to three straws. So let's count the number of rods. And if you guessed it, the number of rods is 16. What about straws? If you guessed it, the number of straws is 15. Can you see the pattern? Wait, let's do one more. Four straws wide. So can you guess how many rods and straws would four straw wide for this figure would be? If you answered 20 for both, then you are right. So in this case, can you find the pattern for both rods and straws? So let's start with the pattern for straws. So for one straw wide, we have 5 straws, two straw wide, 10 straws, three straw wide, 15 straws, and four straw wides, 20 straws. If you guess the pattern for straws is equal to multiples of 5, then you're right. So basically, the total number of straws is equal to 5 times of how wide the straw is in the figure. Now, let's move on to the rods. So, one straw wide, we have 8 rods. Two straw wides is 12 rods. Three straw wides is 16. And four straw wides is 20. Can you guess the pattern for rods? If you guessed the pattern for rods is y plus 1 times 4, then you're right. Because if you were to see closely, right, one straw wide is 1 plus 1, which is 2, multiplied by 4, we'll get 8. For 2, it is 3 times 4. For 3 is 4 times 4. And for 4 straw wide, it is 5 times 4. So now you know the pattern. How many in total of straws and rods if the figure is 52 straw wide? So the number of straws pretty straightforward. It's just 52 times 5. This gives us 260. Then for the number of rods, it's basically 52 plus 1 times 4, which is 212. The total number will then be 260 plus 212, and this gives us 472.